to our cooking show with me and Dylan. So today we are going to learn about what makes angel food cake fluffy. So egg whites are drying agent and too many will reduce the moisture content of the batter. To achieve extra fluffy cakes, especially when making vanilla cakes, separate the egg whites from the egg yolk. To make the batter with the egg yolks, beat the egg whites separately and fold it into the batter. The end.
Whisking butter and sugar together is one excellent tip to make the cake spongy and fluffy and moist. Whisk butter and sugar for long until the mixture becomes pale, yellow, and fluffy because the incorporation of the air is processed and is known as cream.
And that is our show today about what makes angel food cake fluffy. Cut.